Hi guys. Need to chuck, after this beer I'm going to chuck the rest of that wood on there, and then I'm going to find my MRE mill and then whack it on and then do another vlog. Just done a shout out video to Nathan. I need to put that mat properly, mate. I've got two, haven't I? Yeah. One should go on the back to protect my kidneys. Come on. This is just a cheap one. Ah, come on, you bastard. That's it, get there. Stay. It's not going to stay, is it? It's not going to play. It's not going to stay. Come on. You stayed there yesterday. You bastard. That's it. One for my bottom, one for my kidneys. Yeah, so I've done a shout out to Trevor from Somewhat or Nothing for a shout out. That'll be a separate video. When I might have to get that out and look through it and do that ASAP, but that one will be I'll make it easy. So I'll do like just my logo, some ambient sort of guitar music in the background. I do like the fingerstyle guitar music for like on the campfire, which I use for like cover versions of songs. There's a guy that's really good which I use. Yes, I don't sign up to Epidemic Sound because I can't justify the cost. No, I can't. Let me tend to the fire, guys. So I have to lengthen this cord again. Hopefully it won't entwine to each other. Make sure I don't knock the camera over. This is when the wireless one comes in handy. That's it. These logs are fucking lovely, mate. It's my pointy stick that fell from a tree, I think. It's like the gods were fucking talking to me. That's cedar, or it's I think it's silver birch, to be honest with you. Silver birch, yeah. Right, so let's see how far this is again. Off the floor without knocking the camera. There. A little bit of length. Let's not entwine that up. I don't want it to be like pulling the camera over, so I've got the perfect shot. And that nearly entwined on itself. There you go, I've got some more light for the video. I haven't knocked my beer over, thank God. There we go. Yeah, silver birch, I think. Sometimes I like do cedar. Silver birch or cedar. It's not really hard wood, is it? It's not like hazel or oak. Hazel's lovely to burn. I just like the way it sort of smells like apples. A little bit. It's got an apple smell. Yeah. Let's take that out. And I done a shout out video to my partner, so I'll have to see. I don't know how to do that. I'll have to take the SD card out of there to put into my phone. I'll do that in the tent on Thursday and copy that file onto the phone, and then take the SD card out and copy that file onto the SD card. Yeah. But I have to use a paper clip for that, which I've got in my cook set. Yeah. I wanted to go home for some reason today. I was like, fuck this, I'm going home, it's too cold. It is very bitter, actually. This makes the difference. That makes a difference. I'm happy with the Snugpak Tactical 4. Impressed. I put a full blanket underneath. If I got time tomorrow, which I'll have to make time, I'll show you my sleep system. I'll tidy the tent up before I do that. I'll probably do that when I get into bed. So I need to sort of manage my time tonight. I've just got in Sports Direct bags, mate, all the stuff. Just willy-nilly. Might just leave it like that. Fuck it. I don't know. I'm babbling on again. No one's going to watch these videos anyway. I tell you what, Monty, not Monty. There's a guy who's got like a dog called Monty, and his videos are fucking long as fuck. They're long, mate. So what I'm going to do, finish this beer, go and get that bloody MRE mill, put my food on the fire, which can go just in that corner there. And then I haven't got any tortillas, I'm not cooking anything else up. It's beef pasta, I think it is. Don't know what it's going to taste like. Look at those fucking flames, mate. Look at that. That wind's coming in. We're basically putting more oxygen into the fire. Like, boom. Yeah. This is a good shot, mate. Well done. Well done to me. Oh. I told myself not to buy anything in Morrison's today. I just utilised their toilet and washed my hands in there. That is it. The toilet in Brent Tor was not open. I used the Post Bridge. Utilised their toilet first. We're going to... I don't like going to fucking Fair and Worthy, mate. For some reason I just don't like going there. It's fucking such a bastard to get there. But it's a nice reservoir, but such a bitch. I just sat in the car, mate, and just fucking looked out and went, oh, dude, I'm fucking tired. Tired from yesterday. I've done a lot yesterday. Didn't do the hike that I wanted to do today because I ran out of time. So I need to utilise my time tomorrow. Bleak House Ruins tomorrow. I'll have to use this head torch. I'll bring the other head torch anyway, just in case it fails. The Petzl's okay, but it's not as good as the... I'm so annoyed about that new bloody head torch. It's not about the money either, it's just the fucking principle of the matter, because this one's lasted me years. Years, mate. It's a good head torch. Fucking good. The settings are simple. I could change the colour by just going press, long, press, press, long, press. No. Change. What is it? How do you change it again? Press down. No, you press down 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How do you change it again? 1, 2, 3. No, that's just changing the brightness. That one. And press it again. No, you press it 1, 2. What is it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, how do you turn it? I can't remember how you fucking turn it off. Green. I can't fucking remember, mate. Hang on. 1, 2. 1. 1. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Red. Red. Press down 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's make it lower. I don't know, mate. Just playing around with it. You can't see me now, so I need to put the head torch on. Like that. Now you can see me. Let's put it up. Boosh. The light's starting to diminish now. Look, let's see if I'm alright in red. That's red. Red is perfect. And it used less battery as well. It's very good to be stealthy with red. It's right in my eyeball. That'll do. Lounging around the campfire is what we want to do. Lounging around the campfire. It's always good to have a poo. Yes, I do. Yeah, so here's to me. We're not retaliating to the cunts. All this swearing, mate, honestly. You see him? He's a fucking cunt. There's only one word to describe someone who is self-absorbed, sadistic, manipulative, and sociopathic. One word. C-U-N-T spells cunt. Had a nice ring. See you, mate. You're a fucking cunt. I fucking love that word. It's the only word to describe fucking people like that who just wanna fucking shaft you left, right, and centre. Honestly, I've met fucking loads of them. Loads of these fucking fuckers. Look at those sparks. Sparky spark. Spark. I tell you what I like about my vlogs is sometimes they're quite fluent and sometimes I'm just like, fuck me, I don't really talk about much today. My suicidal thoughts have been rampant. So the editing of my videos has been helping a lot. Really happy about the Lake District ones. Can't wait to do the Dartmoor ones. Can't wait to do these ones. Can't wait to do the wireless test. I've only done snippets. I've done the unboxing. Done the unboxing of the new tripod. Done the unboxing of the wireless go. Done the unboxing of the head torch. It's fucking broken on me. What a fucking shit. Oh well. There's nothing I can do. I'm not going to do it now. I need to take pictures on my table so I've got better light so they can see why I'm not happy. The Solomon's a new one. The little hook that you lash the lace on is starting to come loose. Where these ones, the laces are fucking fine. It's just they're split round the sides because of that thing there. So I'm leaning a bit too far back. That's better. Let's swap legs. That's it. That's better. Oh, I've just moved the fucking camera again. Sorry guys. I'm so fucking incompetent. As a camera conspiracy says, I'm shit at my job. And you're not in shot. Bollocks. Right, let's get that in shot again. I had that perfectly. No. Bollocks. Put that under there. Sorry guys, I need to start the video again.